Hello everybody, how are you all doing? I hope you are very good and super ready for this week's tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to make these super easy earrings. I'm giving you two options that you can obviously adapt to your own style. Don't forget to tell me which one is your favorite, I'd love to know that. Well, what are you waiting for? Go and get your supplies! First of all, cut yourself 20 centimeters of wire and insert 4 pearls. Pearls or any kind of bead you want. Thread the wire through the first bead, like this, and pull both sides to tighten. You should get something similar to this. Let's call it flower. Now insert another 4 beads in one of the sides. Thread the same wire through the first bead, in this way. Hold the bead very close to the first flower and pull the wire. Now we have 2 flowers. Do the same on the other side. Insert 4 beads and thread the wire through the first one. Only the first one. Sorry if I'm keeping my fingers holding the piece and you don't see very well, but you know, it's exactly the same we did on the other side. I just need to keep the finger there to make it perfect. Insert a golden bead in any of the wires, it doesn't matter which one, and thread the other wire through that bead. Grab those 2 wires and twist them until you have more or less 2 centimeters. Cut any excessive wire and use your round nose pliers to make a loop. This is how it should look. Beautiful, isn't it? For the first option, you'll need an eye pin like this one, and all you have to do is to make another loop like this. And now use a jump ring to join that eye pin with the earring base. I'm using this one, which is my favorite because it's like a square and it looks fancy. Use another jump ring to join our heart with, you know, the eye pin. Close the jump ring very well, and that's it. Easy peasy. For the second option, you need any kind of charm. I am using this chain made with triangles, and I'm using the ones without the rhinestones. And it's exactly the same. All you have to do is to join the piece with jump rings. It's actually a piece of cake, isn't it? So what you think of mine? Do you have any favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very, very happy.